Lesson 4-H, and me, Miss Beth. Hope everybody's doing good on their summer vacation so far. You know what? It's a really hot day today, and what's better on a hot summer day than some ice cream? Yes, some good old cold ice cream. Well, you could go to the store and buy it, but where's the fun in that? Well, I'm gonna wow you today and show you how to make ice cream in Ziploc bags. Yes, sirree, Ziploc bags. So this is what you're gonna need. First of all, you're going to need 1/2 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of whipping cream, 1/4 of a cup of sugar, 1/2 a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. You're gonna need some ice cream salt or rock salt. Use about 1/2 cup to 3/4 of a cup. And you're gonna need some ice cubes. So, we have everything set up. Oh, and you need a bowl or a measure cup to put it all in to mix it up, and your spoon to stir it up. So this is what we're gonna do. So first thing we have to do is we are going to measure out 1/2 of a cup of milk. I use whole milk and pour it in there, 1/2 of a cup. Okay, that's in there. Put that aside. Next thing you're gonna need is 1/2 of a cup of whipping cream. Now whipping cream, now I could whip this up and I could probably make some butter out of it, but I'm not gonna whip it up that much. So 1/2 of a cup, looks a lot like milk, but it's a little bit thicker. 1/2 a cup of whipping cream. Looking pretty good. Next, 1/4 of a cup of sugar. Just plain sugar. And we might be here a while. So our sugar is kind of slow. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take the lid off. Okay. Notice when I'm pouring it in, I do it slow, but I also do it over the bowl. So in case I spill some, it's not too hard to clean it up. All right, 1/4 or 1/4 of a cup of sugar. Okay, put the lid back on that. Now we're gonna make vanilla ice cream, so we're gonna have 1/2 of a tablespoon, sorry, 1/2 of a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. Okay, you don't want to put too much in there because too much vanilla makes it strong. So 1/2 of a teaspoon. Okay. And then guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to stir it up. I'm going to mix it up. Make sure I get all that mixed up good so I don't hear any sugar scraping on the bottom. All right, I'll put that aside for just a second. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to open my freezer bag. Now, these are Ziploc freezer bags, and there's a reason I use freezer bags because they don't leak water too good. So that's a good thing. So you want to have a brand new freezer bag. Now this is ice cream salt, and if you look real close, they look like big crystals. So I'm going to pour my ice cream salt, 1/2 of a cup, in my large gallon size freezer bag. Okay, so it's just salt in there. Then I'm going to take and I'm going to put about 2 cups. Now remember, this is 1/2 a cup, so I'll need to do 2 of them, so I'll need to do 4 of them. All right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and just because I'm going to be on the safe side and it is so hot, I'm going to put another one. Okay, so there we go. So there's our ice cream churn. Now, you take a quart size bag, okay, open it up, make sure that's all good and mixed up. We're going to very carefully pour it into our quart bag. we go. Now this is an important part. You do not want salt in your ice cream. So you're going to make sure it's closed. Try to get as much air out of it as you can. And close it up. Okay. Double check it. Make sure. No. Yep, there we go. Now, we take our ice cream, well, our liquid, it's going to be ice cream, and put it in our bag. Okay, there again, close it up. Try to get as much air of it out of it as you can. Okay. Next part is the easy part. It's the shake. You got to shake that ice cream. That ice and that salt has got to mix up, and it's got to freeze that milk in there. So shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, so I've been shaking this ice and this water and this salt in this bag for about a little over 5 minutes now. Now, what happens is this salt that I put in here, this ice cream salt that I put in there, actually lowers the temperature of the melting ice, which basically causes the stuff inside the bag, the milk and the cream, to freeze. All right, so let's see what we've done. Now, this is very important. You don't want to get salt in your ice cream. Okay, so we'll take this out. We're going to close this back up so we don't spill it everywhere, because this is salty water. We're going to clean off the bag a little bit, try to get some of the, oh, look at it. Looks pretty interesting. All right, so we're going to take our cup, pour it into our cup right here. Squeeze it into our cup, maybe. Should have thunk this out. Maybe a bowl would have been better. That's okay. Look at here. Should have us some ice cream. So, oh my word. I'm so sorry, but y'all don't get any of this. Brain freeze, brain freeze. This is so good. Oh my. Oh, I'm sorry. How rude of me. Okay, so now you know how to make your very own homemade vanilla ice cream. You could also put some chocolate in it. Oh, some peaches. A peach ice cream. Some strawberries. Strawberry ice cream. Or just eat it like this. Happy Wednesday. You guys have a wonderful rest of the week, and make you some ice cream. It's good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.